I'm discuss about the yellow ads. How to fix the yellow ads on your YouTube channel videos. So just you can go to the video manager. Any YouTube channel earning will be two types of. One is a green, second will be yellow. So you can check for green and yellow channels. So we'll check by your total channel video manager. That is called any video getting for yellow ad. Maybe limited ads or no ads. Maybe limited or no ads. So coming to here, how to check and green and yellow ads. So okay, simple come to here. What is called? It will showing for yellow ad. So simple here. What is called? Request for review. So when uploading video, they're showing for yellow ad means limited and no ads. Simply we can click for review. Request to review. When requesting for review, we can accept by your monetization for green purpose. So you can approve for request from review here. Once request for review here, they will convert into the green ads. When convert into the green ads. So the request is mandatory from each and every video. So how many types of ad will be there? So many. So first you can check the title. Open the video. Any ad will be displayed. So you can see how to solve Blogger AdSense issue on existing Google AdSense. Any ads will be displayed? No. Just come to here. Select. I'm taking for one more video will be beside video I'm taking here. How to verify? See this one. Ad is came. Or showing for yellow is your ad. That is called green ad. The showing ad will be yellow. Same video. Any yellow will be showing on your video size? No. So you see here. When coming to here, automatic ad will be came. But if you watch total video, 100 members, 200 members or 300 members, the earning compared with green, yellow will be very less. So the video will getting for yellow ad. Your earnings are totally down. So be careful to review your yellow ads using for monetization, requesting for manual review. It will be finished for exactly 72 hours. It will be converted into green. If it is eligible, convert into the green ads. So that is purpose. We can more sharing for yellow ads to reach the people for more views. So automatically they convert into the yellow to green ad. So yellow main purpose of less people searching for this title. Yellow main reason for less people searching for that yellow type of ads. Is it clear? So this is called, we can fix the issue by on your yellow to green ad. So any ads will check by the option call is video manager. Just go back. If I go n number of pages, the video showing for yellow ad means totally your earning will be down and no ads will be appear on the particular video. So you got for 1000 views or 2000 views, your earnings are very no or maybe less revenue. See this one. This is all your channel, your monetization. If you go for n number of pages back, the video will showing for green, the eligible for total 5 type of earnings. Overlay, display, sponsor card, non-skippable, skippable, video ads. See this one. This 5 is very important from your particular video channel. One is a green, one is called yellow ads. So any yellow ad will be converted easy to green ads. The option call is request manual review to yellow to green ad. This is called, you can convert any yellow ads will be fixed by the green ad conversion.